Thought there'd be some water, but guess not. Roxy doggy. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's weird. I wonder what happened.
What do you mean?
Look at that chipmunk. See a chipmunk?
Hi. I wish I brought nuts.
Over like a 2-month period, the water went from like up to my knees to gone.
Because in July we were in a drought and it's been raining more in August. There should be water here.
Look at all those minnows.
Yep. Well, they're dead. I used to, when I didn't do other stuff like that, I would sit. Like there's a place like this somewhere else, and there's tons of minnows, like bigger.
Yeah.
And you put your feet in, and you get a free like
Toe cleaning.
a spa. Like yeah, they take all the dead skin off your feet.
Mm. Mom, that sounds.
I can't do it. I can't have the nerve.
That sounds dangerous.
But you can go to a spa and it costs tons of money to get this sit, and they have like little minnows and they use them to do that.
Yeah, it's a redneck. That's a redneck spa day. Be careful, this is slippery.
I might try it. I'm gonna try to get up the nerve to do it.
They're gonna probably not go to your feet. Here's some big ones. Rox, come here. Come here. Come in the water.
I'm
Come here.
looking for crawfish too. I've seen
Look
like,
how big some of those are.
Yeah, some of the biggest crawfish I've
Rox,
ever
come
seen were here.
Come in the water. Watch, she's gonna do
Oh,
it.
she going to? No way.
Be careful, Rox. It drops off.
Oh,
You okay, Rox?
aw. Poor pupper.
You crazy asshole. Try to make me walk into a pond. Where you going, Rox? Now she wants to get away. Come on. Come on. Roxy. Oh, you okay?
You okay, pupper?
Now she's probably mad. Yeah, see how she's going all quick now.
Alright, I'm gonna climb up there and go into the woods and pee.
Yeah, just be careful. You don't want to pee on poison ivy or something.
I thought it was a mantra, but I watched a video, I don't know, I think last week that said that you can't really be a mantra.
Yeah. Don't believe everything you hear on the internet. Roxy doogies. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh! Oh! You okay? You okay, Rex? It's okay. She's going pee. Somewhere over there. She's looking for you. She's coming. Rex, she's fine. She's just going pee. Don't drink that water. It's fine, Roxy. Mom! Let her hear your voice so she knows you're all right. She's looking for you frantically.
Oh shoot, this is poison ivy.
Yep. Roxy, be careful. She just jumped up there.
What? Oh my god, Roxy!
I don't even know.
She just came running at me like, good girl, you found me. You found me.
I don't even know how she got up there.
She's really excited to be up here.
Rox.
She's really excited. You found me. Wait, this button. Cover it down. Cover the spear. Let's take the spear. I set my drink down there. I think there's stairs over there.
Careful, Rox. Slow down. Roxy. Roxy, where are you going? Come here. Come here. No, cobweb, cobweb. Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Roxy.
Oh, I thought she was going to
Crazy dog.
It's really nice up here.
Wait a Prox.
Look, you see just randomly they have a place on fire.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Look, you gotta pay attention to her.
Oh, she's
Rox. Yeah, I wonder if you can camp up there.
I'm pretty sure you can.
Right there. Hey, some stairs, Rox. Huh? Probably. I really hope I'm not getting poison ivy. What do you smell, girly? I can't believe she jumped up that. I wish I would have recorded that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Me doesn't really bother me. I don't know.
It's probably going
I
to.
think she could do it because of that fruit. What's it called?
I don't know.
The CBD.
It's probably just because she was looking for you. Like, she literally just took off running for you.
That's weird. Usually if I take off during our walk, she doesn't really worry.
I just heard car door.
That's definitely poison ivy.
Is it?
I think so. Take a picture and you know how you...
It isn't.
Oh, it's not?
No,
Why?
I don't think so.
I think
There's
it is.
flowers growing on it. I think poison, I don't know, maybe it is. Let's go back get your water bottle at least.
Okay, I'm looking for crawdad.
Oh, the doggy in the water. Scaring away all the fishies. Hey, the doggy. You coming? Roxy dog. I should have brought her, I should have brought that mount and just put the GoPro on her.
Oh, yeah.
I cleaned it out of the car. I thought I had it in there. Actually, no. Come on. No, no, no. That's not good. My ankle's starting to itch.
Whatever you do, don't touch it.
That's literally impossible.
Worst thing you can do is touch it. Just when you forget and you touch your eye or something, then boom, you have it on your face.
If I have poison ivy on my ankle, I'm going to lose my mind.
Whoa, those are big ones.
All right. Look up here. Bugs are flying in my face. See how big those ones are?
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
You could eat those. I don't think they're going to...
They will.
I think they're going to swim away, not come back.
Oh, it's cold.
Ah, these bugs keep flying in my eyes. Roxy, no. No, 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 no. No. Roxy, don't eat that. Yeah, I don't think they want to eat your feet. Roxy, no. Don't eat that. Look at her, look at you. She was looking at you. See? See?
They're coming to my feet.
She's gonna come in the water. She's wondering what you're doing.
Oh, you're scaring him to me.
Rex, what are you doing? Oh my God. Look at her eyes. You alright, Rex? Oh!
Good girl. Was that fun? Was that fun?
Yeah, Chris and I were chipping away all these rocks and cracking them open and stuff. Don't drink that.
Somebody, guess what? You're never gonna believe this. Guess what?
Huh.
I'm a dog.
Yeah. A dog that's gonna need a bath. Roxy, you're cruising. No, 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 no. No, no, come on. Over here. Careful, careful. Roxy, stay over here. Go a little bit further. Isn't it weird all these are like in squares? Don't let her up there. Roxy, come on. Roxy.
Can dogs get this? I don't think dogs get this, maybe.
Roxy, she's going after something. Roxy.
Roxy, come on.
Hey.
Come on, get out here.
Rox. Roxy.
Oh, yes, then.
Roxy.
There has to be a way to teach her to do
Roxy. Get over here. Get over here. Roxy, you gonna make me come up there? Get over here. Get your butt over here.
I want to get all the videos.
Come on.
I don't watch any videos.
Come
on
here.
how to get your dog
Come
to
here.
come
Roxy.
here.
Roxy, come here. Come here. Come on. There you go.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I know, she's gonna be hurting later. This is a lot of navigating for her legs.
Oh, she loves it.
Isn't it weird though all these are like in squares?
Yeah, because it's a natural formation. How did it form? Can't be though. There's like straight lines.
Oh, the pumper. A little bit deeper than it looked, huh? This may be a rock that we cracked open. Huh? I don't know. But I wore these ones because I might get them wet. So it's not a big deal if they do. Yeah, all this was like wicked deep. Look how big this boulder is over here. You see it? Roxy! Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm trying to keep up. What? What? I don't know. We going this way? To the danger zone? Highway to the danger zone. The doogie, the doogie. Yeah, like off of the stream. All right, Rox, let's head back. Mom's not gonna catch up. Rox, let's head back, okay? Come on. Let's head back, girly. Hee hee. Doogie. Whoa. I think there's a bunch of like tadpoles in here. Oh, careful, girly. I think it's okay that she's drinking that.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, animals drink. That's what a lot of animals drink.
Come on, Rox, this way. Roxy, no, no, no. Hey, Roxy, get over here now. Some people are crazy about their land. There we go.
What is this end of it?
No, it keeps going, but I don't want to overdo her. It's just the same thing. It's just, there's no water up there, really. It's just more rocks.
Can you believe I haven't seen one crawdad? I bet there's one under that big thing.
Under there?
That's a big one.
Here. I'll try and lift it.
Oh, you can't lift that.
Nope.
No.
Let me try like this.
You're gonna hurt your back. That's like a huge boulder.
Watch out, Rex. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh, she splashed me.
Gotta record this.
Okay.
Yes, I do it.
Holy crap.
Frog. A black frog.
Oh.
Where'd it go?
No crawdads.
No, there was a black frog. Do you see where it went? You go under there. He must have went under there. Where the hell would he have gone?
He's probably lived there for so many years and never been disrupted.
What the? Look, she's playing. Do you see her?
That's the fun. That's fun.
I think she's so confused. And she's wondering why she hasn't been here before. See her? See her? Just come back. Whoa! That frog just jumped in. He went under there. He went under there. He jumped in.
Huge crawfish. I knew I'd see one.
You just scared me. I thought it was a snake or something.
You see it?
It's hard to... Roxy, get over here. I want to get it, but I gotta get her out of there. Roxy, over here right now. Get over here. Come here. Right now. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Careful. Come here. I'll get you. Come here. Come here. Come right here. Right here. Stop. Stay. Oh, God, she's soaking wet.
If I knew we'd go fishing here, I'd save it.
No, let him be.
Yeah,
He
people
looks
eat
dead.
them. Down in the south, people eat them.
Oh, wow. Do you see
Yeah,
that?
they're fast.
He took off. Try and catch him. Will he bite you? Will he claw you?
They'll pinch you, yeah.
Does it hurt? Roxy!
Probably a little
Get
bit.
over here!
She doesn't know where.
It's the problem that someone's property. People shoot things that are on their property. Come here. Come here. Come here. I don't want to keep picking up. You're soaking wet.
It's funny because I was looking there for a couple minutes before I saw it. Oh, I'm
I don't know why you guys were scared. I was just trying to take a picture of it. Like, how did it know that
no,
was in there?
no.
Where is it? I'll get him, Mom. I'll get him. Careful, Rox. I don't know what's in there. Yeah, he must be under that rock, huh? There we go. Should have been holding it like that the whole time. It's a little bit easier. What are we looking at? Whoa! Yeah, her chest is soaking wet. Yeah, it's weird that the state owns like up to the water. You know, Texas is like one of the only states where the majority of the land is privately owned.
That's awful. There's so much about Texas that I really like, and I'd like to move there, but there's a lot about it that I don't like.
Yeah.
And then when I think about it, like, what could be cute besides that, you know?
Well, it's just, especially when you go to free states like that, you have to have money. You know?
It's true, yeah. That's what Alan says too.
Come here, Rox.
That even paradise can be like a hell if you don't have money.
Yeah, like Hawaii for poor people sucks. Roxy, girl. Let me see if I can get a motion picture like this. Look at her walking through the water. You alright, girly?
It looks like she's using her knee pretty well.
Yeah, it's just later. She won't be able to walk on it probably. You okay, girly? And she's all hopped up on CBD, so probably helps. Wait up, Rox, slow down. Wait, what are you doing?
Looking for crawfish.
Rox, what's Mom doing? Rox,
Oh, my shoes screwed up.
Rox, what's Mom doing? Where's Mom? Huh? Where's Mom? Where is she? Where's Mom? No, 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 no. Come here. Come here. Over here. Come here. It's fine. Ask where you were and look at her. And she's like, huh? She's over there, dumbass.
Rock, right here.
I wasn't calling Roxy a dumbass, by the way. I was calling myself a dumbass.
You better check yourself.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So that was a crawdad?
Yep.
What's the difference between...
They're called crayfish.
Yeah, I was going to say, what's the difference between a crawdad and a crawfish? Oh, wait up, Rax. I want to get you walking through there. Flowers. This isn't the best tripod. It was like super cheap, so I can kind of feel this moving around. It's probably going to mess up the quality a little bit. Wait up, Doogie. It looks like you're forever away in the camera. Roxy girl. I think she really likes it here.
Yeah, she definitely does.
That pillowcase is definitely going to have to be washed afterwards because her entire underside is soaking wet. When I picked her up, it was like touching a wet towel. Roxy dog, wait up. Wait. Wait, Roxy. Come on, slow pokes. See? Water. Slippery, it's slippery. Be careful. You'd think you'd see some in here. What used to be on that calcium trail that I used to look at? Or like snails? Yeah, snails. You remember there used to be a bunch of snails over there?
Oh yeah, there's just like there's a swamp there. Snakes.
What?
I would be jogging along and there'd be a snake in front of me every now and then.
Yeah. Let me see. Rox, come here. Come here. Give me an action shot. Good girl. She got me wet. Oh, that one hurt. Wait up, Rox. Do you ever leash?
I think this is her favorite spot now.
Too bad it's like, I don't know.
It's really not that far from Watertown.
It's probably 30
farther than
minutes.
cars, but...
What do you think, 30 minutes from the house?
No.
Wait up,
Not
Rox.
if you go like the...
It's at least 30. We're past the school.
Yeah,
School Adams.
West School. But you can go... you know if you drive out past like the dealership in Washington?
Mm-hmm.
So you keep going straight, and there's a left.
Roxy, come here.
There's a left that brings you over this way.
Rox. Yeah, I think that's why Chris and I came here. Roxy. I don't know where she's. Oh. What are you doing? Mom, why is Buddy pointing that box at me? Look at her. Look at her. Come here. I think she's looking for us now.
I see her.
See her? Rox. I want to go up against this wall here. Where, Rox? Or up there. Oh man, that took a lot of... I want to go over here real quick. Will you stay with her? Yeah, definitely gonna get wet. Keep her away from it. Is there another way over there that I'm not seeing? Because I'm gonna have to walk. Because I'm gonna have to walk through this water. Whatever. Oh, that's cold. Almost kept my feet dry the whole time. Could have walked right there. God damn it, look, I could have walked right there. Instead I walked through the water, but whatever. Whoa! Matt, you gotta tell me when she's coming.
Why?
So I can record her.
Well, I don't know what she's doing.
That must be what it's like in the wild, because I heard the brush behind me, and I turned around like this. Roxy dog! Probably gonna be some crawdads up in here. Huh? Yeah, I'll show you the branch that Chris was hanging on to for dear life. I think it was this one. Oh, it's this one. I think it's this one that's all bent out of shape. Or maybe it was this. I don't know. I think it was this one. Yeah, it came sliding down right there.
How did you climb up there? It's like a vertical.
It's doable.
But it's this is a very dangerous place to climb up because all these rocks break apart really easily.
Well, we went up right here where it's pretty solid. I heard something. Look out, look, you have a bunch of these guys over here. Roxy! I'll eat your foot juice or whatever. Look at that doggy. Look at that doggy. What up, doggy dog? Let's go. This must go to a big tunnel underneath the road. Whoa, it's really slippery. Be careful. All right, Rax, we're not going in there. Come here. No. Well, yeah, no. Come on. No. Come on.
Whoa.
Roxy, come on. No, Roxy, no. Come on. No. Come on. Good girl. Oh, the sun's coming out, Bear.
Oh yeah, you can go over to the other side of the road.
Come here, Rox. What's over there?
Places that I can't touch over there. Oh, that's just slippery.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. You don't want to go under there?
I don't think I want her to.
Wait, Rex. Let me check it out. It's not gonna
Wait, Rox. Stay. Yeah. I see her beer bottle up on the thing. Wait, Rox. This is where snakes and stuff would be, I think.
Yeah.
And crocodiles and alligators.
Crocodiles, I wish I had a flashlight for here.
I mean, I have my phone. I just don't know if it's a good idea. And what's on the other side? Is that private land or?
No, I think it's like forest.
Stay, Rox, stay. Let me look in here. Stay. 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 Stop. Stay. 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 No, Rex. I just don't know what's in here. Like what kind of animals lurk in the dark. Careful, Rox. Oh, be careful, girlie. Do you want to go back? I mean, it's not a big deal. It's the same water that's out there. We're this far. We might as well just... Over here, Rex. Be careful, be careful. Careful, careful! That's why I was saying careful. I think that's metal. Careful, that's metal right there. You're getting left behind. Mom, what are you doing? We both just walked through there. How can you still be hesitant? I know, it's like a scary movie scene. Wait up, Roxy. Whoa, that's not good.
What?
Looks like a friggin' power line.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god, don't touch it.
Or a gas line or some type of line. That's not good. We'll get electrocuted if it's a power line. Alright, let's head back. Roxy! Look how murky that water is. Oh! Oh no! You okay, Rox?
Look how excited she is now.
Jeez. That was rough. That's murky water too. Why is there bubbles in there? Foam.
It's like foam powder.
You're gonna need a bath, Rox. Come on, let's get out of here. No, don't go that way. Come on.
Okay, no, Rox,
Let's go, Rox. Are you kidding? I love the swamp.
It's better than this place you have to walk through.
What?
If you walk this way.
I don't mind walking through this. Oh, you okay, girlie? Look, my footprint uncovered some.
She drank some of that.
Or inhaled it. My footprint uncovered some of that. Roxy, no. Jeez. Wait up. Slow down. Wait. Slow. Careful. You gotta step up here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Rox, you want to be over here. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, man. Really, I mean, I'm concerned about her, but I guess this is her type of thing. You know? What she likes to do. Whoa, that's some deep water. Well, I kind of want to walk through deep water. I wanted to walk through the deep water. Yeah. Doesn't matter if I get my legs wet. It's all for the camera. Good content. Oh! You okay? Well, it's so slippery she jumped up there. Wait up, Roxy. Roxy, you have fun? I should have brought you a towel. You're gonna get the hummer all wet and dirty. You silly girl. Yeah, I think we even went up and touched those rocks. Wait up, Roxy dog. What do you think? Something under here? Huh? What do you think? Something under here? A couple minnows, that's about it. Some acorns. Rox, wait up. Yeah, like I think this is definitely from us. Cracking that. And all these. Maybe. I don't know. Wait up, Roxy. Check out this rock. That's cool. You'd probably come here with like a trailer and take all these rocks and use them for like landscaping. Hmm? I don't know if you can get in trouble for that, but... Come here, Rex. Come here. Over here. Here. Come here. Come here, girlie. Good girl. That was a 40-minute walk.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
Come here, Rex. Come here. Ironically, I think I had 43 minutes left of memory storage. I didn't even think about that until just now. That kind of worked out just right. Come here, Rex. Rex, come on. I want to get these wet shoes off. Roxy, come here. Roxy, Rex. Roxy. Look, she's peeing on that. She really didn't pee too much. She probably didn't want to contaminate the water. Yeah, I respect nature. She looks all raggedy because she's wet. You raggedy dog. I should make her ride in the back where it's just rubber. I'm just kidding, doggy. Roxy doggies. You got anything to say to the camera, Rex? Look how wet the doggy is. The wet doggy. Where's Mom going, Rex? Roxy, wait. No. Roxy, stay. Stay. She's trying to get you. You could have went somewhere a lot better just to go pee. All right, Rex. Let's end the video here. Nope, you gotta stay here. She's a dork. Way up there. Okay, doggy. Oh, sorry. No. Hey, stay. All right, good doggy. Wait, Rex. Wait. I want to end the video on your face. Wait, stay. Stop. Wait. All right, good girl.